Today, I want to share the incredible transformation of a woman whose story is inspiring millions. Her weight loss journey went viral on TikTok, racking up more than 13 million views, and for good reason. She didn't rely on restrictive diets, harsh workouts, or expensive treatments. Instead, she used a simple homemade pink salt recipe that's quickly gaining popularity as one of the fastest natural ways to burn fat. Some even call it the homemade moharo. What's amazing is that this recipe uses just pink salt and 3 simple ingredients that are probably already in your kitchen. When mixed correctly, these ingredients work together to create a metabolic reaction that's been described as 92 times more effective than those pricey weight loss pens. And the best part? It's completely natural, easy to prepare, and safe to use. Let me introduce you to Sarah, a 49-year-old mom and full-time teacher who was among the first to test this pink salt trick. She had tried everything: low-carb diets, juice cleanses, HIIT workouts, but nothing gave her lasting results. But after just 7 days on this pink salt method, she lost 13 pounds, and by day 21, she was down 38 pounds, all without stepping foot in the gym or giving up her favorite meals. No calorie counting, no starvation, no stress. You might be thinking, what's the catch? That's the shocking part. There isn't one. This isn't some gimmick or overnight scam. It's a natural method that works with your body, especially if you're over 35, going through hormonal shifts, or finding it harder to lose weight like you used to. And it works regardless of genetics, body shape, or lifestyle. Whether you're recovering from childbirth, going through menopause, or just tired of crash diets, this recipe can help you reset your metabolism and finally feel in control again. What's even more impressive is how some women saw so much weight loss, they had to start eating extra calories, like burgers and ice cream, just to avoid getting too slim. It sounds wild, but that's how effective this is. Unlike weight loss injections that come with side effects like nausea, dizziness, or rebound weight gain, this method doesn't leave you with saggy skin, bloating, or fatigue. Instead, it supports your body's natural detox process and gives you lasting results. To help more people access this game-changing recipe, I recorded a step-by-step video showing exactly how to make it. It takes less than 3 minutes, and I've made it completely free for the next 24 hours to celebrate the 7,212 people who reached their dream weight last month using this homemade solution. All you have to do is click the button below to watch. You'll be surprised at how quickly you start noticing changes. Your jeans will fit looser, your confidence will rise, and you won't have to give up pizza night or dread every trip to the gym. In fact, you can finally say goodbye to exhausting workouts, restrictive diets, and overpriced weight loss programs. In the video, I also reveal the 3 so-called healthy green foods that may be silently sabotaging your metabolism. These are foods that many nutritionists promote, but in reality, they slow down fat burning and increase fat storage, especially at night. I'll explain why traditional dieting could be the very thing blocking your weight loss and how most workouts can actually stress your body into holding on to fat. This is the breakthrough you've been waiting for, the key to getting a body you'll be proud of in 2025. Whether you're aiming to drop a few dress sizes, feel more confident in your clothes, or just want to stop hiding behind baggy outfits, this method is your shortcut. But I have to warn you, because so many people are trying to watch the video right now, the website might get overloaded or crash. So if the page opens for you, don't miss your chance. It's proof that when you work with your body instead of against it, transformation becomes not only possible, but easy. Women from all over the country, of all ages, body types, and lifestyles, are using this method. Some are busy moms with no time to cook. Others are women in their 50s or 60s who thought it was too late for change. A few even admitted they'd given up hope until they tried this pink salt trick. And now, They're sharing photos of their slimmer waists, glowing skin, and new wardrobes, many of them finally able to wear clothes they hadn't fit into in years. And this isn't just about losing inches. It's about getting your energy, confidence, and control back. It's about waking up in the morning, looking in the mirror, and feeling proud of the person staring back at you. It's about not having to hide behind baggy clothes, avoid the beach, or make excuses to skip events because of how you feel about your body. This recipe is helping thousands of women reclaim their power, and it can do the same for you. Even better, you don't need a special blender, fancy supplements, or access to a gym. This is something you can prepare in minutes at home, even with a busy schedule. It fits into your day whether you're a full-time mom, a career woman, a student, or retired. And unlike other quick fixes that leave you drained and hungry, this method supports your body's natural balance, helping reduce bloating, improve digestion, and even curb emotional cravings. But I'll be real with you, timing matters. This recipe is going viral fast, and I can't guarantee that the free video will stay up for long. Too many people are trying to access it at once, and when that happens, the page sometimes crashes. So if you're reading this and the video loads, consider yourself lucky and take action now. The truth is, most people will keep scrolling. They'll keep doing what they've always done, and they'll keep getting the same frustrating results. But not you. You're here because you're ready for real change. And this is your chance to take that first step. No diets, no workouts, no shame. Just a simple, natural method that's already helped thousands of women drop the weight and gain their life back. Imagine how different your life could look 30 days from now. Imagine putting on that outfit you've been saving in your closet and actually loving how it looks. Imagine walking into a room and feeling confident, not self-conscious. That's not just a fantasy, it's a real possibility, and it all starts with this one small decision. So don't wait. Click the button below, watch the free 3-minute video, and discover how this pink salt recipe can help you finally lose the weight, feel amazing, and take back control naturally, quickly, and for good. You don't need perfect discipline or hours of free time. All it takes is 3 minutes a day to prep this simple mix, and your body does the rest. The truth is, most women aren't overweight because they're lazy or lack willpower. It's because their metabolism has slowed down, their hormones are out of balance, and their body is stuck in fat storage mode. This pink salt recipe helps reset your internal systems, supporting digestion, detoxification, and fat burning at a cellular level. And if you're worried about safety, rest easy. Every ingredient in this recipe is natural, proven safe, and easy to find. No stimulants, no chemicals, and no weird powders. It's been used by thousands, and many doctors are now even reviewing it because of how many patients are showing up with better blood sugar, improved cholesterol, and sustainable weight loss, all without meds. But remember, this isn't just about weight. It's about freedom. Freedom from the mirror. Freedom from hiding in photos. Freedom from changing rooms that leave you in tears. Freedom from starting over every Monday. This is your chance to break that cycle, and it starts today. But you must act now, because the video is still free only for the next 24 hours, and with the massive wave of people trying to view it, there's no telling how long the site will stay up. If you wait, it could be gone by the time you check back.